Hello, all, and welcome to my weather live stream. I'm going to start here with precipitation. It won't connect. What won't connect? What's going on? Hi, Kananaskis country. So I've got a thunderstorm going on right on top of me right now, actually. May even, you probably won't be able to hear it in the microphone, but this is 6 minutes ago, so it's already right on top of me. This right here. And I just heard some more thunder. This line of storm stretches up into northern New York here. And also down into Pennsylvania. This is a continuation of this line of storms all the way down into southern Ohio. It's weakening down near the southern edge here, but near Chillicothe, Ohio, Lancaster, Zanesville, Cambridge, Ohio, Amsterdam, Hopedale, Deersville, then into Pennsylvania, Burgettstown, Freeport, Old Gum Tree, Ernest, Pennsylvania, Du Bois, Huntley, and this storm's approaching Sheffield right now. You're not late, Josh. You're right on time. Meadville, Pennsylvania, and we've got a few little pop-ups here. Stockton, Gowanda, Springville, New York, Hinsdale, New York, Angelica, Birdsville, New York. This is right in my stomping grounds here. Canasrega, South Dansville. I wanted to storm chase. Now is my opportunity. I'm not going to do that. I'm doing a broadcast, so it's hard to storm chase at night. I can't really see any. It's up near Wallace. Got a few lightning strikes, but it's really active just to the west of here. This is only about 20 minutes away here as of this radar capture 4 minutes ago. So it could strike, lightning could strike here in Hornell. We're within, yeah, if you're also watching my camera, you'll be able to see lightning on that. My other live stream, which is a Canisteo River live cam. I also have some more storms up here to the northeast. This is in St. George's, Quebec, and the rain associated with it goes across western Maine. light rain in Lewiston, Bingham, Greenville, Jackman. So this looks like it's headed in this west to east direction. So it looks like if you're on Moosehead Lake, you're gonna get some rain. Go ahead and hit the other areas. If I skip your area, it's because you don't have any precipitation. I'm trying something different. I just want to focus where there's active weather. Then we'll look at temperatures. So don't feel offended because I didn't mention your state and the precipitation. So let's see. Southern Kentucky, we got some rain showers. And this stretches down into Tennessee. Got rain just west of Nashville, Lebanon, Cookeville. Then down to the southwest corner, we got some near Bolivar, Tennessee, Savannah. And let's see what else we got going on. Scattered light rain showers across North Carolina, a little bit in the northwestern corner, just north of Greenville in South Carolina. Storms here in Atlanta. Pretty intense storm just to the northwest of Atlanta. It's just passed over Douglasville. And this goes up to Gainesville. Got another one. We have these little tiny cells here. Tiny is a relative term. But Noonan, Winder, Dawsonville, getting some lightning right now. And out here in the Appalachians, near Pearl, getting a little lightning and rain. Most of the rest of Georgia is pretty dry. There's a little light shower near Valdosta. Get over into Alabama. Got light rain showers behind the same line of storms near Birmingham, Gadsden. Let's see here, Dadeville, Walnut Hill has some thunder right now. Dawson's just near Camden, Selma, Alabama, and I'll look at the watches in a minute as soon as I finish up with the precipitation. So here to the south in Mississippi, we've got a few. Macomb, Hattiesburg, Waynesboro. Got some thunder there. Pretty intense, actually, right over Fox, Grafton. Let's see here. I gotta zoom in a little bit. Find a town near here. This storm is just to the northeast of Sumrall, Collins, Mississippi, Columbia, Shucktown, and this one here, the cell here, supercell here, is the main part of it's over Ituma. And there's a little bit more over here near Morgan City and Shady Grove. Let's get into Louisiana a little bit. We do have some rain showers here in the northern part of Louisiana near Bastrop And as we get down to southern Louisiana, right on the shore here, Holly Beach, Cameron, got some lightning strikes there. Now near Hayes and Jennings. Indiana's dry right now. Missouri looks pretty dry. Arkansas, nothing much going on. Let's see, I'm kind of I hit Florida here. Got some rain showers in central Florida from Homosassa Springs. I tore that town name into shreds. Sorry, Rich. Arcadia, Northport. I don't even know if Rich is still listening or watching. Bonita Springs. Got some rain showers. And let's see. In Texas, got a thunderstorm over Crockett. And near Friday. And let's see, Tyler, Texas, got a rain shower. Get out here to the west, central to western Texas. San Angelo. This is near, has passed Crane. It's near Grand Falls, Texas. Oklahoma. There's a couple of little thunderstorms here, bringing some rain to Panhandle here. Boise City. And this gets up into Kansas a little bit, in the southwest corner of Kansas. Wilburton, near Elkhart. Got a little rain shower, a couple of lightning strikes here. And this is also, this line of storms is affecting the southeast corner of Colorado also. Near Midway, between Midway and Campo, Colorado. And got a pop-up rain shower here north of Phillipsburg, Kansas. Keep an eye on that. That could develop into a thunderstorm. Iowa. Here, actually, this set of storms here is in the very eastern part of Nebraska also, so I'm going to include that in this. So Union, Nebraska, Murray, Glenwood, Traynor, Hancock, Neola, and Woodbine have some pretty intense rain. Avoca. And this line of storms is kind of like disorganized front here. Got Griswold, Bedford, Preston, got rain showers. And also in the northern part of Missouri, there's some really light rain near Grant City and Clearmont. The rest of Missouri looks pretty dry for now. Jefferson City's dry, Springfield, St. Louis, dry. Wisconsin's pretty dry for now. Michigan, nothing going on. Minnesota, got a thunderstorm here in the southern part. It looks like it's approaching Willow Creek, Vernon Center, and Sterling Center. And we also have some uh, middling rain over St. Paul right now. These showers stretch up to White Bear Lake and St. Francis in that area and over Maplewood. Also have a rain shower near New London and Painesville, Minnesota. Brainerd looks dry for now. And we also have a line of showers up here in the northern part of Minnesota, stretching across from Drayton, Thief River Falls. Let's see, closer, Craigville looks like, Little Fork, and Cook. And right up here on the border, we got a little rain shower here too. North Dakota, this is this part of this same line of storms that is in Minnesota. This is near Hoople and Herrick in North Dakota. It stretches from that direct out to the west a little bit. Very light rain shower. And the rest of North Dakota is pretty dry. South Dakota, we have a very small rainstorm. Looks like it has one lightning strike associated with it near Eureka. But other than that, this is weakening, and we got rain showers just east of Eureka all the way over here to Langford. Montana, we have a few light rain showers here in the south near Red Lodge. That has a single lightning strike also with it between Mountain View and Roscoe, Montana. And got some light rain showers in West Yellowstone here, the very southern tip of Montana. And Yellowstone itself has some rain showers too. Between Three River Junction, Lake Village, got some light rain there. Billings looks pretty dry for now. Great Falls, no precipitation. Kalispell got a couple of little light rain showers here in the mountains. Washington's dry. Oregon, nothing. Nevada, got some thunderstorms out here near Carter Springs, Nevada. Silver Springs also got rain showers. Gabbs, Crescent Valley. I don't even see a town near this one. I don't even know if those mountains have names there. So far out in the wilderness. They probably do, but yeah, there's some rain, thunderstorms out here in the mountains. And also Alamo, Nevada, Caliente, got rain showers out here. There's a few lightning strikes in there. Hi, Rob. And Mike, how's it going? Uh-oh. Why is Nightbot? I have to tweak those settings. I'm sorry about that if it timed you out for the emojis. I didn't even see that. I'll have to mess with that. But you can now use the weather command through Nightbot. I'll have to tweak those settings. For now, don't use any emojis. Tomorrow night's live stream, I'll have fixed that. Yeah, the no shortcuts are set up. You'll have to put in the exclamation W space your town name or zip code of your town. That's correct. Just like Ski Man did. Okay. Got some thunderstorms just north of Phoenix also. In Congress, Baghdad, Kirkland. This is scattered rain showers all north of and thunderstorms north of Phoenix. And then rain showers down into the southeastern suburbs of Phoenix also. All the way down to Cactus Forest and near Oak Wells. If I have not mentioned your weather or precipitation or your area, it's because you have none currently. Edmonton, about to get rain on. Thunderstorm here just north of Calgary. In Alberta, Nordegg. This stretches all the way up into the western portion of Alberta, between or just south of Worsley, north of Royce. We also have a rain shower over Lake Manitoba, and to the east of it, to the northeast, Mulvihill. And a couple of rain showers here in the eastern part too of Saskatchewan. Get over into Ontario. Got some scattered rain showers right through here, down Terrace Bay, and near Wawa. Got some showers up here. Get into Quebec a little bit. Thunderstorms up here. Also out in the wilderness. I doubt I'm going to find any town names near this. So it's right along in this line here. And then this also stretches across over Quebec, the city of Quebec, and down into, this is the same line of storms that's in northern New York near St. George's, and get over to New Brunswick got a thunderstorm north of Fredericton. Nova Scotia's got a rain shower also. Alaska, we got some rain showers over the western part of Alaska. But the rest of the state's pretty dry. And Hawaii actually have a rain shower uh, just to the east of Volcano and rain in Hilo here. And looks like Honolulu's dry here too. Look at Japan real quick. Tokyo's dry, but we do have some scattered thunderstorms in the northern part of the main island. And then get some rain from this typhoon affecting the southern islands here, Kyushu. And this typhoon has made landfall. The eye isn't quite there, but the rain bands are on land in China here. Get over to the UK and Northern Ireland. Glasgow's got some rain showers. And it looks like there's possibly rain shower here in the eastern part of England. Skegness. I'm going to butcher that town name also, or city name. Glasgow's got some rain showers. Belfast, Castlebar Island, Derry, and Londonderry's got rain showers. Reykjavik, pretty dry for now. I'll quickly switch over to temps. Let's see here. Augusta, Maine, 70 degrees. Montpelier, 66. Albany, New York, 73. New York City, 79. Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, 75. Washington, 79. Pittsburgh, 75. Richmond, 79. Charleston, West Virginia, 75. Columbus, Ohio, 77. Indianapolis, 77. Lansing, Michigan, 70. Traverse City is 68. Green Bay, Wisconsin, 71. Madison, 70. St. Paul, 73. Des Moines, Iowa, 73. Jefferson City, 79. Frankfort, Kentucky is 79. Raleigh, North Carolina, 77. Asheville, 70. Nashville, 79. Knoxville, 75. Memphis, 80. Columbia, South Carolina, 79. Charleston is 80. Macon, Georgia, 77. Albany, Georgia, 75. Montgomery, Alabama is 82. Jackson, Mississippi's 84. New Orleans is 84. Alexandria, Mississippi's 80. What did it say? 80, yeah, 80. Little Rock, Arkansas is 82. And let's see. Houston, Texas is 82. Orlando, Florida is 79. Cape Coral's 80. Miami's 84. Mare Island's 82. Tallahassee's 77. Panama City's 84. Pensacola's 82. Abilene, Texas is 84. Oklahoma City's 89. Kansas City's 80 degrees. Wichita's 86. Omaha, Nebraska is 77. Scotts Bluff is 86. Here, South Dakota is 82. Bismarck, North Dakota is 79. Miles City is 79. Billings, Montana is 84. Bozeman, 77. Missoula is 75. Great Falls is 77. Helena is 77. Pocatello, Idaho is 84. McCall is 70. Sandpoint, 77. Spokane, Washington is 82. Seattle, 75. Eugene, Oregon's 80. Klamath Falls is 79. Redding, California is 98. Sacramento's 82. Bakersfield is 80. Los Angeles, 77. Fort Irwin's 100. Phoenix, Arizona is 106 degrees. Flagstaff is 68. Page in the north here is 95. Tucson's 98. Yuma's 106. Albuquerque, New Mexico's 88. Las Cruces 84. Alamogordo is 79. Carlsbad 89. Let's see here. Denver, Colorado's 89. Durango 75. Lamar, Colorado's 91. Oklahoma City's 89. Anchorage, Alaska 66. Tokyo's 91. Osaka's 93. Manila's 82. Cebu City's 84. Puerto Princesa is 88. London, England 66. Bradford is 57 degrees. Glasgow is 59. Belfast 59. Dublin is 61. Reykjavik is 44. Go ahead and click to try to find the low temp here in Greenland. I think I saw 9, 12. Let's see if we can get 5. I see, I think 9 degrees is the coldest here for now. Alright, hit Canada too real quick. Halifax, Nova Scotia 66. Fredericton is 68. Let's see, Thunder Bay 66. Winnipeg 64. Swift Current is 70. Calgary is 64. Edmonton 64. Kamloops is 80. Vancouver is 70. Victoria is 66. Go ahead and zoom in on Australia. Don't worry, I haven't forgotten the weather watches and warnings. I'll get there in a second. Toowoomba, Australia is 61. I want to quickly go ahead and look at weather warnings and watches, especially in my area. I don't see anything, but we do have some pretty intense storms here. Lots of lightning in this area. have temperature warnings through Arizona. This is uh, goes along with fire danger and air quality up here in Washington. And we also have fire danger across the southern half of Montana at an orange level. So yeah, red flag warning. And then most of Wyoming too. But I have no current thunderstorm watches or warnings for my area, which is interesting. You can look at the radar here and see it's pretty intense. Alfred's about a 15-minute drive from me. You can hear the thunder all the way over here in Harnell. It's right up the valley. So also we got, this is near Prattsburg, Penn got some thunder up there too. And it looks like these storms are getting more intense in Pennsylvania, near Clearfield and Indiana, Pennsylvania, and here just southwest of Pittsburgh, near, this is approaching Cecil. And these thunderstorms have intensified, it seems like, or continuing to be intense in Chillicothe, Ohio, just north of New Lexington, in Somerset, Glenford, Chaseville. These are approaching. These storms are approaching Chickawan, Ohio, Wintersville, and Weirton, East Palestine, and Lake Tomahawk, Winona, Ohio. And then out here, just a little bit further to the west, these are a few pop-ups. Johnstown, and Warsaw, Ohio. Those just popped up on the radar. So it's starting to storm. And it's pretty heavy rain here where I'm at too. I've got a rate of 1 inch an hour, but according to my weather meter, only 9/100ths of an inch of rain have fallen so far. Hi, Lawn Dog. How are you doing? I actually have or had a, you see, fire isn't really weather per se because it's on the ground. And so I can give you the website to look at though. We can also see the fire danger warnings here, and that will give you a good idea of where there could be fire. And we can combine that with the air quality index and see that it looks like there are some active fires here in central Oregon and here in the northern part of Oregon too. Now I don't have a map that gives specifics queued up since this is weather and not ground conditions. Fire is a physical thing on the ground, so I know the smoke is weather. It's kind of odd. And so here just south of 100 Mile House and Cache Creek in Canada too, got some fires. And Also got some pretty intense rain still going on outside. I can actually hear it pretty intensely. And this here is sand in the air in Africa. Yeah, this is about as intense as it gets for this area. Got hail down to the south of me here. Like, this area, the hail doesn't get very big, though. I've never seen it bigger than pea-sized. So it's not dangerous. So, I think that about covers it for this evening. What I'll do is quickly run this as an animation, and you can see the uh, development of this storm that's just coming. It's right over me right now, actually. And that will wrap it up for tonight. Oh no. Just reading chat real quick. Jeff, I'm sorry to hear that. That sounds painful. And I'll just quick look through here. See if I may or may not have. I'm not able. It's hard for me to keep up with chat and do the weather at the same time. But thank you everyone for coming, and I'll see you tomorrow night on the same time, 10:30 Eastern. Yeah, it is. Take it easy, everyone, and I'll see you tomorrow night.